Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer basics. Our first question is, what characteristics of read-only memory makes it useful? So here given options are option A, ROM information can be easily updated. Option B, data in ROM is non-volatile. That is, it remains there even without electrical power. Option C, ROM provides very large amounts of inexpensive data storage. Option D, ROM chips are easily swapped between different brands of computers. So option B is our correct answer. But given in there, data in ROM is non-volatile. That is, it remains there even without electrical power. Our next question is, what do you call the programs that are used to find out possible faults and their causes? Given options are option A, operating system extensions, option B, cookies, option C, diagnostic software, option D, boot diskettes. So here correct answer is option C, diagnostic software. Our next question is, which programming languages are classified as low-level language? Here given options are option A, basic, CUBL, Fortran, COBOL and Fortran. Option C, Prolog. Option C, C++. Option D, assembly language. So here correct answer is assembly language. We know that assembly language and machine language are low-level language. So here correct option is option D, assembly language. Our next question is, which of the following is not antivirus software? Option A, NAV. Option B, FPROT. Option C, Oracle. Option D, MCQ. So Oracle is a database software, not antivirus software. So here correct answer is option C, Oracle. Our next question is, which device is required for the internet connection? Option A, joystick. Option B, modem. Option C, CD drive. Option D, NIC card. For internet connection, we need modem. So here correct option is option B, modem. Our next question is, what does DMA stands for? Option A, distinct memory access. Option B, direct memory access. Option C, direct module access. Option D, direct memory allocation. So here option B is our correct answer, direct memory access. Our next question is, which of the following is a storage device? Option A, tape. Option B, hard disk. Option C, floppy disk. Option D, all of the above. So here correct answer is all of the above. Our next question is, when did John Napier develop logarithm? Option A 1416, 1614, 1641 and 1804. So your correct answer is option B 1614. Our next question is a normal CD-ROM usually can store up to dash data. Option A 680 KB, option B 680 bytes, option C 680 megabyte, option D 680 GB. So our correct answer is option C 680 MB. Our next question is MIS is designed to provide information needed for effective decision making by option A consumers, option B workers, option C foreman, option D managers. So here correct answer is option D managers.